minimum height requirement for a single-family electrical service panel is 18 inches. This measurement refers to the minimum clear space that must be maintained from the top of the electrical panel to any obstruction. The purpose of this requirement is to provide adequate space for electricians and other qualified personnel to safely work on the electrical panel. It ensures they have enough room to access the components, perform maintenance, and make repairs without being hindered by overhead obstructions. Maintaining this clearance is essential for safety and compliance with electrical codes. Failure to adhere to this minimum height requirement can lead to violations during electrical inspections and potentially create hazardous working conditions. This clearance allows for proper ventilation around the panel, preventing overheating and potential fire hazard. It also ensures that electricians can easily use test equipment and tools without being restricted by limited space. The 18-inch minimum height is a widely recognized standard and is typically enforced by local electrical authorities. Always consult with local electrical codes and regulations to confirm specific requirements in a given area, as there might be slight variations based on local amendments or interpretations. Adhering to this standard helps ensure the safety and functionality of the electrical system, providing a safe and accessible working environment for qualified professionals. When installing or modifying an electrical service panel, careful consideration should be given to the surrounding environment to ensure that this minimum height requirement is met. This includes accounting for any existing structures, pipes, or other potential obstructions that might interfere with the required clearance. By following this guideline, homeowners and electricians can help ensure that the electrical system is installed and maintained in a safe and code-compliant manner. Remember, electrical work should only be performed by qualified and licensed professionals to minimize the risk of electrical shock or fire. These professionals are trained to understand and comply with all applicable electrical codes and regulations, ensuring the safety and proper functioning of the electrical system. The 18-inch clearance is not merely a suggestion, but a mandatory safety requirement designed to protect individuals and property from electrical hazards. When planning an electrical installation, always prioritize safety and compliance with established codes and standards.